Hey there, I completely get that people, when they think about franchising, are thinking about that national name brand recognition. But here's the truth, emerging brands can really be a smart move if you're the right kind of owner. So, this kind of stems from a conversation I had this week. The gentleman I'm working with is in Plano, Texas. And he said, Lisa, I really only want to work with a brand that I've heard about, that's recognizable, where that name is just going to drive people in. And that can be a little bit tricky, especially in Plano, which tends to sell out of franchises pretty quickly. And so I had to explain to him, if you've recognized that brand, it's probably not available in your market. So let's just talk a little bit about the opportunity with emerging brands. And so one thing is, you are first to market. So you're the foundation builder of that brand in your market. And so it's going to take the right kind of owner to get that done, but it can happen. And if you're, exceptionally good at understanding business ownership and managing people, it might be something worth looking into, because then you can kind of cherry pick the best territory. I think another thing that kind of goes along with that is the access to the leadership of the franchisor with a smaller brand. Bigger brands definitely tend to get a little bit more corporate structure. Whether or not they're laid out to be that way or not, you're going to have multiple layers between you and the C-suite level leadership of that franchisor. And so if you're someone that really does want maybe some extra hand holding, and you want to rub elbows with the people that started this brand from the beginning, an emerging brand is actually probably a better option for you. The support there is also going to feel just a lot more personal. I know in the brand that we got involved in, it grew like crazy, right? And so at one point we were very much in touch with the leadership team, and now we're a couple layers removed from, having the founder's ear anymore. And so I think we were expecting that, with franchise ownership, but for someone that really wants that personal touch, then I do think emerging brands might be a little bit more up your alley to think about. I'm not saying they don't come without risk, but I am saying that there's something to explore if you're interested in business ownership, you have management experience, possibly business ownership experience, and the brand does a good job of explaining, the good, the bad, and the ugly to you. I think at least it's worth exploring. We'll have conversations, we'll talk about where the risk is, where the opportunity is, and figure out what fits for you. So I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take the next step, Integrity Franchise Group is here to help. Click the link below or reach out to us today to schedule an appointment. Let's work together to solve that franchise puzzle and turn your business dreams into reality. We cannot wait to connect with you.